What's going on YouTube? It's cold and it's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. As you can see, we got a little winter wonderland going on. Rocky's over there sniffing, probably about to pee somewhere. But I wanted to point out something that a lot of people, police officers, certain police officers have peeved. And this is a big one for a lot of police officers. Clearing the snow off of the top of your vehicles. A lot of people, they don't know how to do it and they don't have the tools to do it. I'm gonna give you a quick tip. Let me get some good light. I'm gonna give you a quick tip to show you how to get that snow off the top of your roof with ease, with no problem. Yes, sir. Alright people, this tip is so easy I can do it with one hand and film this. Check it out. Right here is a simple brush. It's actually one of those car wash brushes that you hook up to the back, but the back part broke. But I still use it to wash my car with because it's easy for me to access the roof because it extends and whatnot. But it's also good for this because I just kind of brush my wife's car off. But as you can see, it easily, with one hand, boom, pushes the snow off, and it's basically like an arm extension. Let me see if I can switch hands. It might be easier. I'm doing it with my left hand. There we go. Yeah, you just and push it right over the edge, just like that. Same thing with the roof. You know, go ahead and push it, pull it. And the good thing about this is that this is a soft bristle brush, so it's not going to scratch up your car or nothing like that. But that's all I got for y'all. Like I said, a little tip for y'all. I know my nose running. I got the gravy on here. This one, hold up, let me walk around. This is why I love this trailer. Extra storage space. Got the snow there. Got the gravy all nestled in there. Nice and neat. Anywho, thanks for watching. Tune in for more videos. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Tips and talk. Yes, sir.